Quick update on the child tax credit. It's just coming up around the corner. Today is July 5th, and those first checks or direct deposits are coming on July 15th. So it's literally right around the corner. And I've been doing a couple of videos or a handful of videos on the child tax credit, getting the advanced, updating the portal. So here is a question that I've been getting actually quite a bit. I mentioned it briefly in a previous video, but I wanted to highlight it. So here's the question. So Cassie asks, hey Travis, my situation is weird. My grandmother claimed one of my children last year and my other child was claimed by his dad. This year I am self-employed and will be claiming both of my children. Is there a way that I can update this at all? I've created an account and it says that I'm not getting a payment. So there actually is a way. So there's actually two ways. The first is you will be able to update it in the portal. Unfortunately, you're not going to be able to do that for the first few checks because when I called the IRS, the agent told me that it will be updated to allow for changes in either your income or the amount of children that you're claiming. So those two things, but they said late summer, and then they said it's gonna be in September. So late summer, September timeframe is when you're gonna be able to have that functionality in the portal. But unfortunately, that's not gonna take effect on any of those checks until then. Now, the second way to do it is, unfortunately, waiting until you file your taxes, because if you do qualify, you are going to get that credit because it's an advance credit. That means you're going to get these monthly payments, but then you're going to go ahead and record it on your 2021 taxes. And so you're still going to be eligible for it, but it's just a matter of whether or not you're going to get those checks in advance. So unfortunately, there's absolutely no way to update this information right now as far as updating your income or the amount of children that you're claiming. But as soon as it gets updated, I'm going to post a video on it and you'll be able to go in there. So just stay tuned for that. Now, they might do it earlier. I don't know. Just keep your fingers crossed. That was the time frame that they were given. They put me on hold and they were asking some managers. That's the information that they were given. I will continue to update if that date changes, not an actual date, or that time frame changes with the child tax credit. But unfortunately, at this point, there's no other way to update it, nothing else that you can do. And in fact, even if you updated it right now, it's still not going to take effect until the August check payment. So that deadline had already set. That was already on June the 28th. So this stuff gets posted really quickly. You have to take action right away in order for it to take effect. So stay tuned. We'll keep you updated on the child tax credit, but keep asking me these questions and I will keep updating it. And if you've enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe and leave your comments down at the bottom.